I welcome you all to another part wherein I'm going to showcase you the various steps to create a list for alphabets. Sometimes in our data set we can see the presence of the alphabets also. In that particular case, how am I supposed to create the list is what I'm going to showcase out here. So here you will see that yes, first of all, in this particular part, let us go back to collaboratory, and there we can click on text, and once the text is there, now I can start keying the coding part of it. Now let us see how to carry forward with it. Now here you will see that I have started off with a list again. So I'm keying the word list space equal to space square brackets open in single quotes a, that is my first literal or the alphabet that I'm taking care of it, comma. Then again I open the after the comma there's a single space. Then I open the single quotes again, then b, single quotes close, comma, space, single quotes open, C, and square brackets close. Now enter, and you can go to the next line of the code, and there you can again key the word list. Now run the program either through the arrow that is present next to the coding part or the control enter. Now once we do, we can see that yes, we are getting the output out here, and that is in the form of square brackets open A, B, C in single quotes with spaces and commas present between them as it is. Now this is how we are going to create the list for the I should say our alphabets also. Now there are certain points that we need to remember, and let us see what these are basically. Now always remember, when you're creating the list for the alphabet, space must be present between the word list or L or whatever you are going to key over there and equal to. Okay, must be present. Similarly, space between the equal to and the square brackets that you're going to open, wherein you're going to enter or key the literals or the alphabets. So literals will be placed between the single quotes, otherwise Python will not accept the coding at all. Now space after every comma within the square bracket is mandatory for us to follow. Then the output, as we have seen out here, will show the object present within the square brackets and with the single quotes rather than the entire list of it. You understood what I mean to say? So here you will not get the word list equals to square bracket A, B, C in single quotes, comma, spaces and everything. It will start off showcasing the list, I would say, the alphabets present within the square bracket. So this is how you are supposed to create a list for the alphabets or the literals. So let me proceed further with yet one more video wherein I'll be showcasing something else. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.